Oh no, me stubby's empty. What am I going to do? I know you guys like me trying out these weird and fantastic drinks. So, I have in my hot little hands here one of these. What is it? It is a beanstalk. That's what that is. You can see that right there. Iced chocolate. Now, these guys also do iced lattes, and they are very nice. I have had one of these before. Very nice. This little sucker is Vietnam made. Vietnamese. So that means it should taste good. It's got anti-caking agent, which means it's very healthy for you. If you don't know, anti-caking agent is pretty bad. They had a big thing on the news about it before, a little while ago, not to buy products or something with anti-caking agent in it. But, in saying that, it can't be any worse for you than Angry Bear, eh? So, it says here, feel the magic, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to pop him in my little stubby holder, right there. Oh, like finger up, anyway. And we're going to crack him open. Oh, invert him first. You probably don't have to do that, really, but... yeah. Alright. 50 cents a can goes straight to feel the magic. Oh, there you go. You're doing charity. Crack him open like so. Now, let me just remind myself. I didn't even open the lid properly. Beautiful. Oh. Honestly, on a serious note, that stuff right there, beanstalk iced chocolate, that goodie stuff here, get it from Woolworths, give it a go. If you like your iced chocolate and stuff, give this a crack. It's it tastes like chocolate, obviously, but it's sort of thick and creamy, almost like I wouldn't say a custard, it would be more like a watered down custard. But if you like chocolate custard, this would be the drink for you. I'm trying to think what it tastes like. It's a specific type of chocolate. I can't think of it. Is it No, it wouldn't be Nesquik. Oh, I know. You know those Yogo mixes that you get in the little packets, and you mix the your little chocolate chips and stuff with your chocolate custard, and you get your little plastic spoon and the Yogos. That's what this tastes like. Yep, that's it. Beautiful. So if you like Yogos, you're gonna love that. So give it a crack. Head down to Woolies and I don't know, try some. Not a sponsor, I just like it. Good stuff. How's our chicken going? Quaw. There she is, look at him. Oh, how do you know it's a boy? It might not be. Over here somewhere we have our... oh, where did it go? In my previous video, I done mashed potatoes, or a version of, and I didn't have a masher. I ended up using a fork. That was fun. So what I done is I went looking around Woolworths. While I was there, I bought that chocolate drink. You see where this is going. I was looking for a spud masher of sorts, and I could not get one that was small enough to fit in my camp box. I have found something that will save the day. Woo! Yes, this right here, if you don't know what it is a... now, the proper terminology for it is actually Avocado Tool. Yes, so this thing is an Avocado Multi-Tool. It even has a little knife on it. How cool is that? But yeah, no, I honestly don't know how these things work, but it looks like a spud masher. Why can't it work like one? And it is so small, you could fit it in your back pocket. How good. Just for comparison, there's my fork, there's my masher. How good is that? So, if you're looking for a nice little potato masher to throw in your camp kit, or just in a place in general, try an Avocado Multi-Tool. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't I can't comment on how it works. But if it works for avocados, I'm sure it can work for spuds. There you go. That's my tip for the day. Avocado Multi-Tool.